Okay, so we took the stock 1.8 manifold and we cut it, obviously, and then we flipped it. So then it puts it up like such. And then we're gonna weld the junkyard turbo directly to that.
We sure are.
So it's tacked on, so we're gonna finish welding it and fill in that giant gap that I cut wrong, and then weld the turbo on. Okay, so it is welded and on there, and it looks good.
Yeah.
Until
I'm gonna bring the turbo.
we put the turbo on.
Dun,
Please.
dun, 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 dun.
Stop it. Put it on. Show them where I messed up.
Wow.
So that's how the turbo is gonna mount.
That'd be mistake 106 for Preston for this project.
So now we gotta brainstorm and see how we can get that to face.
Yep.
Straight up and down.
We'll let you guys know what we end up with.
Yeah, we overlooked that
Yeah, we did.
by a lot. So we had the brilliant idea of cutting that, and I messed up the cut. And it still works perfectly. Haha.
Okay.
Enter turbo.
Yep.
And hold.
Here's the centerpiece.
Look at that.
And look at that.
It's flat.
Yep.
Look at that.
Yep.
Sits up like 19 inches higher than it should. But that's what we wanted.
Yes.
And look at that. That's like
perfect.
less gap than I had to weld down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to cover as much of that in heat wrap as we can. No one can see this. Okay, so we took the exhaust flange from the Miata and welded it to the turbo. Very poorly, but it's on now. So now that will sit like such.
Oh yeah. That's perfect.
From over here it looks really janky.
Really?
Yeah, but from the front it looks good.
It'll all be wrapped in.
Yay.
It's not on, but it's good. Yes,
Yay.
exhaust. And MAF somehow needs to make it and throw the turbo so it stays running. And then we're gonna go for a drive.
Yay.
Started. We did it. Okay. Oh, we need a cooler.
And a hose.
At least something.
Why don't we go get that after we take the cherry picker to Ethan?
Yeah. Timing belt is real tight, but that's good for boost.
Yay.
What?
There's gotta be.
Way better with no boost.
It still bogs though?
A little bit. That cam angle sensor is adjustable. But I can't see because I just put the. So.
Yeah, because it seems like it's idling kind of.
It is. I mean,
Wonky, too.
that's kind of rough for it. But I bet you, I'll get the RPM going again and watch it and just get it idling at 1,000. Because I bet you right now, it's just like a distributor. So it's just idling
that
way
angle
too,
sensors?
yeah.
Okay.
So it's just idling way too well.
It's a lot of the boost problem too. So
Yeah.
when you
Let's get it.
when
We'll
you
get it running.
disconnected that, how much of those threads were in?
About 4 left. But
Okay.
I think no matter what, I could be wrong. It's got to take 14 psi to open that wastegate. Angle sensor just
Okay.
a little higher, but it definitely runs a lot better.
It looks sweet.
Yeah,
It looks
so
really
good.
cool.
I redlined it first because RPM gauges are working at the moment. So much better without that wastegate mount I made.
What are you doing, Dennis?
I'm gonna FMU on. I can't even see it. There it is.
What does that do?
Gives it more fuel since you're not on the standalone.
That's all we need. We just need more fuel. We don't care how we get it. We just need more fuel.
Worst case scenario, we're gonna weld the wastegate slightly open if we can't get enough fuel for it.
And there's no way to pull timing, so it probably won't boost much. That's okay.
We wanted to do like 3.5 pounds anyway.
That's
He terrifies me. That was better.
Good? Yeah, you just can't give it gas right off the bat. You gotta wait. And then,
You gotta chill out a little bit.
yeah. Take some more speed.
There's a bunch of oil on the timing belt.
cam seal.
Cam seal came off? Yeah.
Why does it keep sliding out? Just clean it off, put some silicone on the outside of it.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.